Rainwater and leaves blow under your garage door every season of the year. At WeatherStop, we have the ultimate solution: our innovative garage door threshold seals. The threshold seals improve the efficiency and security of your garage with an easy-to-fit product that will give you instant results. Our threshold seals can protect against water damage from rainfall, stop leaves, sand and other debris, and keep your garage safe from pesky pests. WeatherStop garage door threshold seals are made of a flexible, durable PVC material, making them odorless and 100% recyclable. They include a 5-year warranty, and they come in multiple heights and lengths to fit any size garage. All garage threshold seals include GaraDry adhesive. At WeatherStop, we don't have to sell our products because they sell themselves. WeatherStop. Keep your garage clean and dry, even when a serious storm hits.